Here I have OnePlus 8T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device and also some of its settings. So firstly we have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and here we have battery saver. You can switch it here. Also you can set a schedule for it to turn automatically based on your routine, and also you can set based on your percentage here. And there is also an option turn off when the battery is up to 19%. And you can also switch power saving mode here in the upper bar by tapping on it once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.